Camera, action. Hello. My name is Tully. Hello, Tully. Oh, hello. Wow. Hey, fica allo. Do you want to sing? Yay! What song? Take the cross? Perfect. Let's go. Take up the cross and follow Jesus. Take up the cross every day. Don't be ashamed. Save it to know thee. Down the cross, take up the cross and follow him. Ava is a time, oh, with Mulia Yesu. Ava is a time, oh, yes, oh, man. Ava is a man. But yet to tell oh yeah, down the cross, take up the cross and follow him. Is it really fun? Is it? Nice song? Perfect. Aha.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To avoid KFC.
Why did Patrick lock down the toilet?
Why?
He was searching for his friend Pooh.
Why can't Sonic the Hedgehog cross the road?
Why can't he cross the road?
Because he's afraid of being hit by a car. A friend and I are going to the air show. Would you like to join us?
Wow.
Awesome.
And after that, we're going to church.
Yay.
No, don't go to church.
Why not?
I'm not religious.
All right,
I love singing. What do you think?
it's cool.
Yep.
And you, I
Yeah,
know you
lovely.
I know you're not religious. What do you do instead?
Well, I will be going down to the pub.
How do you make a frog jump? I don't know. Play Van Halen. Yeah.
My name's Pancake. Hello, I'm Pancake. I like doing drama at school-wise, and I am Hal the Puppet, and I like to be his puppet, and this is me, and I like to know you, but one little thing, we are aliens, and we come from the space, and we just like people to put us on their hands, and then we take over, then we talk, and Pancake might knock on your door, Paul, and make him an omelet. Really try his omelet, because I am Pancake and I'm clever. Hey Hal, there's a clever one, Hal.
Why did the Sith Lord cross the road?
I don't know. Why did the Sith Lord cross the road?
To get to the dark side.